Hi everyone, it's Asia here.
And Amelie, and we're gonna do glass pebbles with alcohol ink.
So stay tuned. So recently I showed you guys the glass pebbles I've made, and well, a lot of you actually asked how I made them. There are different ways to make them. This is one I love the most, so I'm using a Yupo paper or a Tim Holtz paper in this case, and alcohol inks, and I'm just making a background. So I am not really overthinking the process, just making the background. I'm adding the colors basically to fill up the space.
And I'm helping my mom to add some more colors.
And you are the best helper ever, Amelie, kochanie.
I know.
And I'm using Tim Holtz alcohol inks, and in the small sprayer bottle I have alcohol ink 90%, but I also use a blending solution by Tim Holtz. Later I'll add some Letraset ink in blue color. And guys, honestly, don't overthink the process. The background you make your own way. You don't have Yupo paper, you can also use a tracing paper, but try to use tracing paper which is a little bit thicker than the normal one, and it works perfectly on it. And if you don't have alcohol inks, you can use it, but you can just make backgrounds either with a jelly printing plate or just background with paints you have at home. What I like about the pebbles is the fact that there is a lot of golden color in them, and for that I used Jacquard Piñata.
Or you can also use metallic leaf foil,
which I'm gonna show you in a few seconds. Meanwhile, Amelie brought me a hairdryer because a hairdryer is better to use with alcohol inks than a heat gun. Because it gives the better flow of the inks on the paper, and well, it works like that. And soon, I hope, just after my holidays, I'm gonna open my Etsy shop, I think, and I'm gonna be probably selling the pebbles. I started making them about 2 years ago, and I started with old book pages. I cut the circles from old book pages, and you're gonna see the ones I came up with at the end of this video. And basically to cut the shapes I needed, so the circles, I'm using the hole punchers. I have 3 different sizes, but somehow I cannot manage to get the proper size for the biggest pebbles, so I need to struggle with them a little. And right now I'm adding some golden foil. Of course, it's better to add the foil to the whole background instead of working on the tiny circles, but I just noticed that the ink wasn't dry. That's what I'm doing that. To adhere the background circles to the pebbles, I am using for that either 3D matte gel or just a regular gel. I don't use regular glue because I want that the adherence is quite strong. And because I cannot find nowhere a proper hole puncher for the bigger holes, for the bigger pebbles, I have to actually adjust the size of the scissors at the end. And guys, basically that's it. If you have any more questions, please let me know.
Thank you for watching. It was such a fun to do this video with my mom. We wish you a happy sunny day.
Bye bye!
Bye bye!